Hello guys, I welcome you to the channel of Hustlers, where I'll be sharing with you guys ways in which one can make extra cash online with your till slips. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to hit subscribe button and hit the notification bell as well, so that you can keep being updated about new videos that I'll be posting each and every day. Having said that, guys, let me start by introducing myself. My name is Elias here at Cast Mogoni. Having said that, guys, let me not waste any time. Let's go dive in and check what does the app Snap and Save have for us.
Welcome to Snap and Save, the app that gives you cash back when you shop in store. Imagine being paid for grocery shopping, or if your till slips magically transformed into cash. Wouldn't that make you happy? With Snap and Save, you get your hard-earned cash back on the products you love and buy every day. No crumpled up paper coupons, plastic cards or loyalty points, and no embarrassment at the till. Just download the free Snap and Save app on your phone or visit our website. Simply book the offers that you like and then go shopping like you always do. Snap a photo of your till slip and we will deposit the cash right into your Snap and Save wallet. So, start getting cash back on the things you buy every day, so you have more to spend on the things you really want, whatever that might be. Download the free mobile app today or join at snapandsave.co.za and start planning how you're going to spend all the cash you get back.
Hi guys, that was a nice quick video about Snap and Save. Guys, the very nice part about Snap and Save is that you'll be using the very same till slip that you have received from the store, and then you snap it, then you save some cash. Just imagine, they say if you know that you are going to buy a loaf of bread, and then it's amounting to more than 12.50, or is equivalent to 12.50, and then you book the bread on the app, and then when you are done booking the bread, you go and purchase the bread, and then after that you'll take your till slip like this one, and then you take your smartphone, you open the Snap and Save app, and then you will capture what you've booked. You capture the till slip on your phone. Once you are done capturing the till slip, and then imagine getting paid something like this, just like this, or even more like this. And booking products on the Snap and Save app, you don't have to book one. You can book as many as you know that you are going to purchase. So what I can say is that the more you book, the higher the chances of you getting more money. Having said that, guys, keep well, check that app, and then if you're having any questions, leave all the questions on the comment section and I'll get back to you. Until we meet again on the next video, bye bye.